Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change TikTok username. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok application and the home page or the TikTok feed. TikTok FYP will be appeared somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on the profile which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now what you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on edit profile. So one step below the name you can see the username. Go ahead and tap on it. So here it is written that usernames can contain only letters, number, underscores and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. You can change your username once every in 30 days. So you can only change your username once in a 30 days. So what you can do in order to change it is just clear your name and type down the new name and save the changes and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.